Hello guys, in today's video we'll be making slime. I got a package from Center today. It's Alma's slime starter pack. Here's the clay glue which I poured in with some glitter pen. I'm going to put the rest in now. I'm going to put this much because I still want it to be clear. I'm going to take my spoon and mix it in. I would say it looks good. I'll take out my activator, which looks like this. I'll put just a little bit in for now and mix it in. It's mixing really well. This is the first slime I ever made in my life. It's so shiny. Okay, now I'll get a box if I could find one. I'll just take this one. Okay, here's my box, which I'll put my slime in when it's ready. I'm excited to feel it. Okay, I'll put my spoon down. Wow. I think it needs a little more activator. It's mixing in well now better. Put it here. It's really well. Okay, I'll put the box now so it doesn't dry out. It's really sticky. I added now too much activator. Okay, that's the first slime ready. My table looks like a mess. Maybe, okay, let's get into the next slime. Oh, first I'll come back in a quick second. Okay, I'm back. Which color should I get? I think I'll make a regular slime now. This is how the red one looks like. Okay, I'll get some glue now. Pour it in. Oh, it's stuck. And let me put some red. I think this much will be enough. It's done. Oops. It's turning kinda red, which I want it to be. Okay, now let's put in some activator. Okay, let's mix this in now. Ooh, this one is mixing in very well. Okay, I'm going to feel it. It's super nice. Okay, I'm going to put this on the side. Get this ball out. I'm going to make a purple slime. So I'll add a lot of red. Okay, I think this much is enough. I'll get the blue now. Okay, put this on the side, get my spoon, mix it in. I hope this works. It looks super nice. Okay, I'll only add a little bit of activity. This much. Okay, that's good. It's so shiny. Wow. This is how all my slimes look like. This is supposed to turn purple. It kind of is. This one is my blue slime. This one is my red slime. This is all for today, guys. Bye bye.